pheasant out there. I had 4 try to jump in front of my truck this morning. Oh, I bet there's a lot of arrowheads in there. I might have to walk that at break time. Alright, back on the closet project. I'm gonna have to get some other trim to cover some gaps because that's way too much scribing for this job. Walls are a little wonky. Might be some workable stone here in the driveway. Huh. Alright, so I got a couple of squirrels going, sweet potato. You betcha. Harvested them here a while back. I hunt a lot. I don't film everything because that's, you know, sometimes I just want to enjoy myself. What you see here and on YouTube is like 2% of what actually goes down. I'm fairly busy. Sometimes it's nice just to leave the camera down and just do your own thing, you know. I'm gonna shoot my bow. It's nice out. There has been lots of times though I should have probably filmed because it was pretty epic. Whatever. My memories, my adventures. I'll share with you what I can when I want. Deal? Alright, let's shoot. Not the best group, but I don't want to have any excuses, but I think the sun was in my eyes. I'll try that again in the shade. That's better. Still not quite hitting on all 8 cylinders after being so sick there that last week. Whew. That was a dandy. Yep, not even going to show you that group. That was depressing. Okay. Take a minute, regroup. Check on the squirrels. Oh yes. I think more than ever, we should start practicing more self-reliance, providing your own food, you know, growing a garden, all that stuff. We need to bring that back more and more and more. We're losing grasp of that, and I think the next few generations are going to be completely reliant on everybody else providing for them, and when something happens, it's going to be a disaster. My kids have got it, hopefully, so teach your kids. I'm not a prepper by any means. I think prepping is having knowledge and skills, so when something does happen, you know how to deal with it. Not always looking for that disaster to happen, but being able to deal with it when it does happen. That's the most important thing. Have the skills, the knowledge, and the capability to deal with that moment when it does happen. That's the most important thing. That's perfect prepping right there. And if anything, just getting out and practicing and having fun with it, hunting, skills, traps, snares, whatever. It's fun to do. It gives you self-confidence. And if you have your kids with you or teaching somebody, you're passing it down. It's good things. All right. So I'm not a paper target guy, so we're going to shoot at something, an object. There we go. Shoot at the bottle cap. Bam! First shot. Like I said, I'm not much of a paper target guy, but give me something to shoot at, I'll nail it. Dead bullseye right there. There's your trick shot Wednesday. I'm not even going to try that again. That's a good ending right there. That's dead center. want to toot my horn, but you could not get any closer to center than that is right there. I think I'm going to hang it up right there. I'm not even going to try again. That was pretty awesome. Hope you all had a great day. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. And to quote Byron Ferguson, an aspirin has the same size of center as a beach ball. It's the same size. Oh, look at the goodness.